today I'm going to talk about the Ikea Knot floor lamp. So this is the Ikea Knot floor lamp reading LED light, and Knot is actually the name that Ikea gave it. It is a floor lamp, obviously, so do not believe that it is not one, if that makes any sense at all. And I think lighting is very important, especially in a home. I was really tired of living with a bright light that was on the ceiling only. You know, it felt very harsh and it didn't feel very cozy. And what I like about this one is it definitely has that cozy feel. So let me turn on the light here so you can see what I'm talking about. So down here, as you can see, I just turn on the switches, whoops, and all of a sudden it lights up. And it's such a nice, calm light. It's not the kind of light that will hurt your eyes or that is just too bright and overheated or too cold. It just gives the right home feel, in my opinion. And I bought this when I was looking for new furniture decor to enhance my place. So as you can see, it's black and then it has these opaque shades, and it looks like glass, but it's actually plastic, and they're both kind of the same material right here. So yeah, so you can see that's what they look like. And there are two lamps on this one lamp stand. The one that is smaller, that's adjustable, so I usually put this right next to my couch. And then what I can do is I can take this bendy part, point it down, so if I'm in a reading mood, I can read. Or if I just want it kind of to be all over the place and brighten up the room, I can put it that way. So you can direct the light however you want. This one, however, stays, it's sturdy, and that's how it looks. What I also like is that you don't have to turn them both on at once. You can turn one off or the other on, or you can leave one off and on. So they both kind of have their own part to play. You can have separate lights or not separate lights. It is about 69 inches tall, which is a little under 6 feet. So I'm 5'9", and this lamp is taller than me. It's like the size of my boyfriend, the height of my boyfriend. So, well, he's even higher than the lamp, but you get the idea, right? It's above me, basically, and the average person. It is black, and what I like is that it just blends in with everything. It kind of goes with everything. And the light bulbs, it's E17 400 lumen and E26 LED bulbs. And you have to unscrew the ring up here first. When you want to change them, you have to kind of unscrew the entire thing to actually put the bulb on. But luckily you don't have to do that every day. And you can easily bend this at your will, however you want, if you need to point it away or just turn it off. That's up to you. Sometimes I'll use it as kind of a light in some of my vlogging videos because it's just so easy to manipulate. The on switch is attached, so that definitely takes away from the aesthetic of the light. It's not as beautiful, I guess, if say they were separate, but I do like that you can turn them on together. Both switches are in the same place, so you don't really have to worry about switching one lamp up here or one light up here with a switch. That's just how it works. It is about 8 to 9 inches wide at the base, and I have had this for about 4 months and I still haven't had to change the bulbs. So it's pretty good when it comes to filtering the energy and the light and saving energy. And it definitely has brought my electricity bill way down. It does not smell. Sometimes they have burning smells or something like that. And I can easily just put it in a corner. Most of the time people don't even notice it. It's not one of those things that really stands out. I wouldn't say it's decor for your apartment. When I bought it, I did have to put these bars together, but it was pretty easy to put together. It was pretty straightforward. And Ikea has a way of doing that. They're known for their simplistic designs. No tools were necessary to put it together. It just screwed on pretty well to the base here. And I just love their furniture. Ikea is a Swedish company and they're known for their simple designs, and I love their furniture. I just think it's awesome. They have been around for quite some time, and I definitely would check their products out if you have not already. And yeah, definitely check them out. And if you need any good lighting, just basic, wonderful, warm lighting, try this lamp out. Thanks.